up, guys? It's Chris, and today, for episode 91, we're going to be doing a review of my 1991 Pontiac Formula WS-6. So let's go over the Firebird, and so the engine is a 5.7 liter TBI. I don't have the tune port. This is a throttle body. And it has air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, power trunk, power antenna, which broke years ago. Good luck finding a motor for that. Cruise control. It's pretty much fully loaded minus power seats. It has the turning signal lights. It has the fog lights. I took the covers out there. So yeah, it has both of the series of lights, the driving lights and the turning signal / fog lights. This one has, I don't know if we're going to be able to see it. The hood's open right now. It's because of the battery tender. I usually just leave it sit on the battery tender. It has stainless steel headers. They're a little bit stained. I don't know about stainless, but it's kind of crusty in there. I mean, it's clean, but it just sits. I drive this car maybe a couple hundred miles a year. It has American Racing torque thrust 2s, cross-drilled slotted rotors, and dual piston calipers. These are, oh my god, 245 50 ZR16s, and the backs are the same tires, 245 50 ZR16. I do have a different offset in the back because the caliper for the rear disc brakes. That's another thing. This has rear disc brakes. A lot of the Firebirds had drums in the 90s. This has Borg Warner 9-bolt 327, I believe the gears are. It lives under blankets most of the time. There are seat covers on these seats to protect them, but they are fine. They actually look almost factory because I screwed the seatbelt holder and stuff in. That's an iMac cable. It does have factory T-tops, and I still have the T-top bag. It was originally red, still is red, and you get a little cup holder with a rag in your door pocket. It has power locks and door handle, and you know, a really long door, and this thing is low. I am sitting on the garage floor on my knees, and I'm just at ride height, so I can touch the ground right here. I'd say there's about 6 inches of clearance or so. It sits pretty low. It's never been lowered. So you have an embroidered bag. It used to say WS6 right here on sticky, but the plate fell off, and it might be in here. So it has the factory CD player, and you know, to switch between CD mode, I think you just I don't remember. Is there a disc in there? There is a disc in there. Some good Christian music. So it has currently turn off. A little copyright strike. 210,508 miles. So it's had a little bit of driving on it. When I bought it, it only had like 40-something thousand, 40,000. So I've driven this car to hell and back. Still in decent shape. You know, everything's intact. Headliner's starting to get a little bit of crusty right here. That is not rust. That's like a foam material. And you know, it's 27 years old. The T-tops are starting to droop because there's like a felt material underneath. But all in all, I mean, oops, windows are still up. But all in all, I mean, the car is in really good shape. Interior's still okay. And we'll go. It has a trunk and center console full of junk and some old band-aids and a code reader. an old GPS. These are the power windows, which still work fine. That'll be a little slow, but functional. This is a 4-way power mirror. A lot of GMs, a left and a right. You can just put left and do your mirrors, and then the right one will be the same way. And then usually you can stick it in the middle and it turns it off. It starts, it runs, it drives, everything's fine. Over here you have a parking light and your headlights, and this is a dimmer switch, and my next door neighbor's cutting the grass. Isn't that wonderful, right when you're doing a video? I'm about to clean this out and then we're going to pull it out, start it up. Tail lights, everything's fine. Have historic tags, so I don't have to have my car inspected every year in Pennsylvania. The only thing I am missing is there was a plastic ring here for your key fob. It has a power trunk, so I don't have to worry about that. And I left the keys to the ignition. So let me pause this for a second until my neighbor gets done cutting their grass, and I'll clean this up. I pulled it out. Neighbor's still cutting the damn grass, so it might be a little loud. Of course. This is the car I nicknamed the Chicken, because it's a Firebird. Air conditioner blows cold. We're ready for a cruise. Let me get my garage door open. Okay, so we're in. The AC's blowing. Car is warming up. I haven't started it in many months. Air conditioner blows cold. I'll turn it down on the lower level. So we'll see what they can do. Camera right here on the dashboard. Seatbelt on. Got too many keys in my pocket, so bear with me a second. Phones and 3 sets of car keys. I don't know how good this is going to be. Look at the size comparison just to the Kia. Look how lower I am. Look at my truck. This thing is just so low. One-lane road ahead. Out of the alley. If I press record. Turn the air off and open the windows a little bit so you can hear the car, hear the exhaust. This is going to knock the camera off, I know it is. Try to be respectful in the neighborhoods. Every time I want to go hauling butt, there's somebody in the alley or cutting their grass. has a very firm suspension. Okay. This car's fun to drive. In this thing till you can walk. We're parked. I put all the crap back underneath of it. That is a quick overview of my 91 WS-6 Formula. That's a quick overview of my 91 Pontiac Formula WS-6 5.7. And if you want to see more of the Firebird videos or a new series on Project Firebird, I could use some love. Let me know in the comments what you think. Appreciate you for watching episode 91 on my 91. Thanks for watching.